Hey everybody, I just wanted to show you the class I have for this month. This is for Father's Day. It's kind of hard to put together cards for a man, so I kind of missed Mother's Day, but you guys do lots and lots of cards that are feminine that you can make into Mother's Day, so I didn't worry about that. But guys, it's a little harder. So what I chose to use was this Truly Tailored bundle. So for $34, you get this stamp set and you get this punch. Now for this, what I will do is if you will buy the bundle plus the markers, 34, 30, 41, I'll send you a kit that you can make one of each of these cards. So I already have the designer series paper. It's really cute paper if you want to add that to your order as well. I mean, it's really very, very nice paper. So if you wanted to order that and add that to your list, you can. If not, I will send you the kit to do these cards, plus inside and envelopes. And that's a birthday, but that could be a Father's Day. I love this one. Wishing you a dapper day. And then, of course, this is the bow tie builder punch, and it's going to be retired. So if you want the bow builder punch, you need to add that to your order as well. It will be retired as of May 31st. I will include one in the kit, so no worries with that. So here's this one, and of course your punch. You'll be able to do all this, and then I'll give you the corduroy ribbon, plus all the designer series paper and card stock in your kit. Here's another one done with the corduroy. Just love this plaid and the glasses. Love the card. And then this one actually opens this way. A little different. But all these will come with the envelopes, insides. Well, this one already has an inside, but at any rate. So that's this class will be good for the next couple of weeks. So if you're interested, just simply because you got to order the supplies in order to do the class and get it done. So I'm only going to offer this one for probably till the end of April. Again, I will put down what you'll need to order. You can find it on my blog, but you'll need to get the Truly Tailored bundle, and you will need to get the chocolate. Let me pull it out here again. Truly Tailored bundle. And then the markers, and then you'll be able to make these cards with the kit I send you. All right. And then you need to use the hostess code, which I will pop in at the bottom once I set it up. But you'll use that hostess code right at the bottom down here that pops up. Okay, so those are my card kits. So be sure to place your order for the bundle, and that will let me know that I'm just send you the kits. Hope you enjoyed this. Now go stamp something.